Hello. Okay, I'm going to do a little video about a product that I'm loving at the moment, which is the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So I want to show you guys this product today. I've been using this product for a good few months, and I got it because I usually make my own all-purpose spray for the house that we use in the bathroom, the kitchen, on Bear's toys, on the high chair, everything. It gets used all-purpose. The name says it all. And in here is just water, vinegar, and a mix of essential oils, depending on how I'm feeling, but I'll quite often just use On Guard essential oil. I got the cleaner concentrate a long time ago because people were gushing about how much they loved it, and you can use this as your all-purpose spray. So if I put 30 mils of the cleaner concentrate into my spray bottle and just top it up with water, that's my all-purpose spray done, and it is amazing. It has been really great at removing the soap scum from my shower. And actually what I've done, I've got another spray bottle, I've put this in it with water, and then I've added about 25 drops of neat clove oil, and I use that as a spray to try and really tackle the mold that comes, because we're now living up in Byron Bay, and the humidity is quite a bit more, and I'm seeing like mold could start to happen in the bathroom because it never really gets dry. So I'm trying to get on top of it with a spray and kill that stuff before it spreads. So that's what I've been using it for. But what I wanted to show you guys, what inspired me for this video, was I also use this as a stain remover, and it is wonderful. So in my laundry I use the On Guard laundry detergent, but when there are really nasty stains, and there are plenty in our house because I have a toddler and a 3-month-old and a male partner and me, and we are quite messy people, it turns out, that we have a few stains going on our clothes. So I take the stained clothing and sort of like clean off whatever I can, and then I put this on neat onto the stain. Now, it can get quite messy if you're trying to pour it out of your cap. You can end up using too much, get it all over your hands. It's all a bit yuck. So a little tip for you guys, and anyone with kids, you need to be all over this, or if you're generally just a messy person. I have an old, this was a doTERRA roller bottle, I think, and I've just emptied it out, but you can use any sort of 10 ml roller bottle, whatever size roller bottle you want. And I've used this one for this purpose before, but before you do this, if it's had a coconut oil or something in it, make sure you give it a good wash. You can just wash it with the cleaner concentrate and just give it a shake. Or what I've also used is, if you've ever bought like a little straw, the metal straws, they come with a little straw cleaner, really good for getting inside your bottles and cleaning those up. So it's clean inside, and then I'm just going to, hopefully I don't get this everywhere, pour that into the roller bottle. Beauty. And pop the roller bottle back on top. And there you have it. Then that's your, you can get a nice cute little label and things if you want to. But all you got to do then is use the roller bottle to roll it onto where the stains are. Let it sit for, a little while, and then just pop it all in the wash like normal, and it works like magic. If you are like me and tend to get, well, if I've got baby, I've tend to got stains all over me all the time anyway. If you're out and about, you could make a little one of these and have it in your purse, and then you could dab on it, dab stains on it if you spill coffee or something on your work clothes during the day. But if you've got kids, this is amazing, especially for around their neckline when you want to just roll some stuff on before wash. So there we go. This one's going to it sits in my laundry room beside the laundry detergent, and it's super handy. And in case you guys missed it, to take your tops off your bottles, just use your cap of the actual bottle and then push it in there, and it pops up. I have to put this back on again. Done. Easy peasy. So you can grab this from your back office. It is one of those products that I absolutely love to buy with my points as well, because it's what I call one of my boring products for the house that I need to have and not that I want to have. I like to save my points to buy the boring things like laundry detergent and toothpaste. But yeah, the On Guard Cleaning Concentrate, absolutely love it. Guys, give it a go. It's a really good way to transition into making your own household cleaners as well. If you're not ready to take the full leap into using water and vinegar and oils, and you want to go somewhere in between those high toxic commercial brands and you want to try something a little easier, just grab your little spray bottle. I think I got this one from maybe Kohl's or Woolies or Kmart. They're about $1 or $2, or Target, and you can have lots of, oh, this one's from Target. Lots of cute little bottles. Just make sure they're glass or metal and not plastic bottles. And yeah, perfect. Super easy. There is no excuse to have toxic cleaning products in your house whenever this is so easy to use. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll speak to you soon.